Are you also opening this blue Google Messages text messaging option? If you're opening this app on your phone, your text messages and SMS may not be coming through. It's saying customize how you are seen and showing your email ID as well as your name and age. Is your name also causing this kind of problem inside Google Messages? Are you unable to read your SMS messages? If so, you've come to the right video. Today, I'll provide a solution to this customize how you are seen problem. I'm facing the same issue on this phone. When I open the Google Messages app, it says customize how you are seen. So what does this mean? Friends, let me explain. Just as you send messages from WhatsApp to WhatsApp, you can now send messages online from the Google Messages app to the Google Messages app. This is a smartphone. If you send a message from this phone to another, it'll go online. You'll see when they've read your message. It's about how your profile appears when someone messages you, what name they'll see, what preview they'll get, and the email ID shown here. Inside this email account, all your text messages will be displayed. Now, you might wonder how to access your text message app. Look, there's no option to cut it anywhere. Here, there's only an option to continue directly. You can't cut it, okay? Yes, see, as we're opening it, it's saying customize how you're seen. Here you can edit your name, edit your photo, choose who can see your profile picture, edit which email ID should be displayed, and then click continue as to open the text message interface. Now here if you understand how to view your messages, then this way all of you can enter your messages app. Similarly, on my second phone, it's showing the same thing. How you want to appear to the other person. You can customize your appearance here. Only then will you be able to access your message app and view your text messages. When you click on the continue option here, you'll be able to enter your messages app. So let's click on continue and you'll see that my message app will now open. As you can see, my message app has opened, but it only opened when I clicked continue. So this is the way you can go inside your message app. There is no other way. I hope all of you have learned from this video what the continue option is and how you can fix it, why the customize option is being shown to you. You should have understood everything in detail. I hope you liked this video. If so, please like the video. Your problem of how to customize your appearance should now be solved. So like the video and comment below saying, yes, brother, it's been solved. Whatever you want to write, you can let me know by commenting below. Thank you.